Weather Service in Albany has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for East Central Schenectady County and East Central New York, Northeastern Albany County and East Central New York, Eastern Saratoga County and East Central New York, Washington County and East Central New York, Northern Rensselaer County and East Central New York, Northwestern Bennington County in southern Vermont, until 5:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:46 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Fort Edward to Cohoes, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Intact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Albany, Schenectady, Troy, Clifton Park, Saratoga Springs, Cohoes, Watervliet, Colony, Hudson Falls, Mechanicsville, Huosic Falls, Arlington, Salem, Latham, Delmer, Niskayuna, Boston Spa, Menands, Shaftesbury, and Fort Edward. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in New York: Albany, Rensselaer, Saratoga, Schenectady, and Washington, and Bennington, Vermont.